We gonna go there.
Block this. We gotta block.
Hey, Chris, squad! Show me your ass!
On September 6, 2025, Chicago officers responding to a pre-dawn burglary call found the suspects already fleeing in a stolen vehicle. Moments later, the driver rammed two marked squad cars, pinning an officer inside. Trapped and unable to move, the officer opened fire as the situation exploded in seconds.
Right here.
I see him, bro. We good. We gonna go there.
Block this. We gotta block.
Hey, Chris, squad! Show me your ass! Show me your ass! Show me your ass! Show me your ass! Show me your ass right now! Show me your ass!
Get down! Get out! Get down! Get down! Get down to the ground! Get down! Please, I'm shot! Please, I'm shot! Hey! Please, I'm shot!
Like this.
Please, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got hit too.
I didn't do nothing. I
We got an officer struck by a car via roll EMS.
Please give me a little, please.
Give me that roll. Where are you located for you now?
We are in Chicago and Marlin right here.
Okay, then come in clear. Where are you located for the EMS?
Chicago and Waller.
Chicago and Waller for the EMS.
Are we still looking for someone? No, you
Are we still looking?
got one in there.
Yes.
You're in Chicago holding a rifle. Ski mask? Wait.
Where?
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 He's not in Chicago wearing the ski mask with a rifle. With a white hoodie.
You good? You good? I'm good. Alright. P, I love you, bro. I love you. Just chill. Just chill, P. I love you, bro. You got it. Can you please get him some EMS, please? Can you please get him some EMS? Please. I just asked. That's all I want. Get him some EMS, bro. Y'all not coming for no EMS, gang.
We called the EMS. Settle down. They're coming.
11, we get EMS.
Why they trying to shoot though? We didn't have no.
You hit us with the car.
We didn't have no gun. Y'all came into us,
Enough.
gang.
I'm sorry, but someone said someone was hit by a car and that's why they needed EMS.
That's when we're later.
Oh, he shot. He shot, bro.
Hollis was hit by a car.
So we
Okay, we got EMS rolls and
We're all in.
That's where Chicago.
Please, bro, help him.
Are you hit? Let's check. Turn over. Turn over.
My left leg hurt. I think it's just because the crash. It hurts in the middle. You can check the middle.
Stop. I'm checking you for wounds. Let me see.
Central now on Chicago and Waller.
Turn over.
Chicago, shot fired by the police. Got an officer hit by.
P, I love you, P. I love you, brother.
Chicago and Waller.
You're good. Take this off.
P, I love you, P. I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry, P. I'm sorry, P. I'm sorry, P. I love you, bro.
25-30
I love you, P. I'm sorry, P. I love you, P. Austin 33.
Get up. We'll get you up. Ready?
Yeah, hold on. Let me get on myself. I got you.
Transporting an officer shoulder.
Got you transferred out. Hold on. Oh, I can't even. Oh, I can't even walk on my leg. Come on. I love you, P. Please just make sure he's okay. Ain't no EMS on the way.
we called for an ambulance.
Coming in hot. Oh my God. I'm compliant. I'm not gonna give you no trouble. I just want to make sure my brother's okay.
This morning in the country.
P, I love you, P. Just hang in there.
Car for now.
Car
for now. Yes. What's your
You
step?
can roll my window down.
Give us a minute.
You can fix the cuffs at least.
Give us a minute. Give us a minute. We gotta make sure he's good.
If there's any vehicle that controls southbound central for me.
We'll notify soldier coming in hot.
You guys got shit filled? All right. You're gonna have to go to the hospital too. Let's adjust those cuffs. Tell your brother to the left.
Hey, you in? 15.
Making a crime scene.
You came over there 1595 for a crime scene.
Stop. You gotta stay there, alright?
Austin 3, did chest on a good apply?
Oh my God.
Come on.
Chest still applied. 353 on the time.
P, please,
You have another
P.
unit coming in?
Please, P.
Alright, come on.
Hey!
Yeah, Austin 3, went on 290.
You can let me.
That's it, bro. You're adjusted. We gotta wait for EMS, alright? He's a top priority right now. I didn't see no bullet wounds on you. Okay? You weren't struck. You need to take a minute, bro. Catch your breath. Just catch your breath. Sit in the car and just catch your breath, alright? You good. No, you gotta have a seatbelt on, bro. I understand. Just relax.
We have a male right wrist with a long right service rifle. Do you have any information on the offender?
On another car?
Any units on scene?
Alright, man, step out. They don't want you in the car.
Austin 3-3.
Austin 3-3.
Can you have children be outside with a wheelchair?
Hey, who's got a car? I ran through him. Somebody run through him again.
1520.
Oh my God, man.
Austin 11, do we have an ETA on EMS?
Run through him. Go ahead. Run through him. I'll be right here.
They are en route. 1520, do we need more units from other districts to come assist? 1520, we're okay right now. Slow it down.
50. A large.
That's what was called out. 1520, we still have one offender at large.
He's got a ski mask in here. Alright, good. Just keep those are the most.
Austin 2-3, weapon recovered.
You guys got him?
Austin
You guys
23,
got
weapon
him?
recovered, 355 on the time. 1520.
Who put the cuffs on him?
We'll figure it out right now. I don't know, bro. It all happened so fast.
Austin. 10-4, 1599.
South in the alley. Have a seat.
1531.
Alright, you good?
Yeah.
After securing one of the suspects in the squad car, another officer began searching the vehicle involved in the crash. With the scene stabilized, units continued clearing the area while other officers pursued the third suspect, who had fled on foot.
That's what was called out. 1520, we still have one offender at large.
Austin 2-3, weapon recovered.
Austin 23, weapon recovered, 355 on the time. 15.
During the vehicle search, officers recovered a handgun along with a high-capacity drum magazine, placing both on the hood of the squad car as they secured the evidence. One of the suspects, 26-year-old Aiden English, was taken to Stroger Hospital, where he later died from his injuries. A second suspect was taken into custody at the scene, while a third suspect escaped after a brief foot chase. Officers recovered a discarded handgun along the suspect's path, and the investigation was turned over to COPA. If you found this breakdown informative, hit the like button, subscribe, and consider becoming a channel member to support future releases.